Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick video on the pistons I've had for my little potato cannon. Small launcher there. And that's actually the barrel and the tank separate. So anyway, I'm going to talk about the pistons. The original one I had is here. It consists of two pieces of plexiglass sandwiched sandwiching this wood, which were originally just 3 blocks, or 4 blocks glued together, but soon became one kind of hybrid piece of glue and wood. So that sat together like so. Boom, and then this was there, and then it was held together because the glue kept coming undone. I put a bolt through the middle, and that connected the two halves, or the two plates. And what ended up happening was it flew back with so much force when it was fired that this back piece actually shattered into 2 pieces. Now, this is polycarbonate, and this is extremely hard stuff to break. Let me just show you. I'll take this. And, I mean, I don't even think I can break it without pliers. Let me see if I can even break it with pliers. I mean, it would take an untold amount of force to break one of these. Yeah, like, I can't even break this. It'll bend, but it ain't breaking. So, that just goes to show how much force was put into this. You can see it's a clean break. So that was that. As you can see, that made a little line around there where it's sealed against the barrel. And other than that, it worked pretty good. So I attempted to make one with a piece of wood. I took it on the, I just traced this out onto a piece of wood, and then just kind of spent the afternoon grinding it down. And this didn't work because it was lopsided and too much air leaked through. And yeah, that didn't work. So I had some guys in the machine shop make me this. It's actually a fully machined piece of aluminum, and I had to machine it just a little bit smaller. I figured I can always add tape onto it instead of, you know, milling more. So I had to machine this, and this is perfectly circular, perfectly smooth, fits in beautifully, and it's actually fairly heavy. I mean, compared to obviously the wood, this is light as heck. This is kind of in between. But this is by far the most efficient as far as sealing with the walls is concerned. I pretty much had to make a disc 1 inch by, I believe it was 2.95 inches outer diameter, and then inner diameter was like, I don't know, something. So the balls here were 1.5 inches, and the top part is 3/4 an inch. So pretty hefty piece of machined metal here. I'm expecting this to hold up, and the tape has this kind of damping here, so that'll help. And also on the bottom of the chamber it has a rubber stopper, so when it hits it'll dampen it just a little bit. I'm interested in seeing the recoil from this, even though this only moves about 1 inch. This is still quite a bit of mass. This probably weighs almost a pound. So I'd be really interested to see the recoil effects. As you can see, I'll go ahead and hit the light here. I bring the barrel over, I mean the tank. I'm going to call it the body because it serves multiple functions. I'm just going to see if I can do this with one hand. This is going to be tricky. So you can see the thing. If I can line this up properly. It's a bit of a trick with 2 hands. One hand, it's going to be almost impossible. Oh, no, got it. So as you can see that slides down. I don't know if you can see that, but it's sliding down right now, almost an airtight seal. And It's a little bit down, so that's pretty much ready to go. So I'll be doing test fires with that tomorrow. And at some point over the summer, I'll be doing a scope mount and painting of this. And then also, I'll be having some more parts machined, except these will be actual ammunitions. I'll be having wood and aluminum shells. I would estimate them to be 3 to 4 inches long, and I believe this is 2-inch diameter, so something along those lines. And I'm going to be doing a whole thing on that, so that'll be separate, but for now at least I got that all taken care of. So anyway, I figured I'd go over the little pistons and issues I've been having and solutions. So anyway, thank you for watching. More videos to come.